Of course, today I have come to listen, not to give a lecture. Once Honorable Her Excellency Dr. Kiran Bedi, Governor of Pondicherry, once she is there. So I don't have any words to speak, in front of her. Because every time, whenever I meet her, I learn. Today also I'm going to learn many things. She's not only a governor of Pondicherry, but moreover, she's a strong lady. Once India will remember in its history, first IAS officer and the asset for my India country. So I salute her, and really I am happy to be here to see her. Ambassador Dr. Sethi sir, then the principal sir, parents, children, and some my colleagues. Just I would like to narrate a small, because I believe life is 10% how you make it and 90% how you take it. Because my experience is because I am from simple village, small village, where we used to pay 50 paisa per month as a fees, school fees, 50 paisa. We were not having building like that. We only studied under the tree with carpet. And a small incident, a small thing which changed me, and I am here because of success. So always I say, not to be the part of crowd, be always, not to be the part of cloud. So once I was 12.5 years age, and I was staying in the village. My school teachers said there is a circus in the next city, that is 30 kilometers. And whoever like to go in circus, give 2 rupees. But it was very difficult. But I was very much interested to see the circus, but 2 rupees was very difficult. I requested my mother, father, they said no, 2 rupees very high. That time, I'm talking about 1976, 75. Then ultimately I managed to take the 2 rupees with, like children, once they want, they can do anything. So I got 2 rupees and gave it to the teacher, said, okay, gentlemen. So like that, there were 25 students who could get 2 rupees and went to the city to see the circus. And I also one of them, luckiest, I got a chance to see the circus. And we went by bus to the city, and there was a line to take a ticket, and it was written, any children who are less than 12 years, they were exempted for the ticket, and 12 and above, they have to pay the 50 paise as a ticket. So my teacher said, you looks like 10 to 11 years. Then I said, no sir, I am 12.5 years. Again they said, it looks like that. To tell them once they asked it, 10, 11. I said, no sir, ultimately put a, you tell it 10, 11. Okay sir, okay sir. And we went like that. He asked, what is your age? Before me, my teacher said, it's 10, 11. Immediately we passed through that line. Ultimately we went inside the circus. And within 15 minutes, I was feeling guilty that I have not taken the tickets. Of course, I have given 2 rupees also. So within 15 minutes, I came out from the pandal of circus and stood outside. My colleagues, my other student, he said, Ramesh is not there and he has gone outside. Teacher came out, he said, what is this? Sir, you don't have my ticket, so I will not see the circus. Now who is going to ask you? Did anybody ask? No, but my guilt, my conscience is not allowing me to be inside because I have not purchased a ticket. Once I am at 12.5 years. Then with a very, he said, okay, I'll see in the school. He immediately went and bought a ticket of 50 paise and again gave the ticket in my hand. I went inside the circus and the whole 3 hours I have seen the circus. And once I came in my school, I have been called by teacher and in the front of headmaster. He said, this is the student who misbehaved me. He has made me, like that, this thing, that thing. So then headmaster said, what did you have done? Sir, I did nothing. My parents always say, if you don't have money, don't go. If you That truth is always, he always give a lecture of truth. So I have only done this thing, nothing else. Then ultimately, headmaster was so happy, and he said, today onward, you will be the monitor of up to class primary. And I became a monitor, and my life has changed. And since that day, the monitor, I have been called Athanni means 50 paise wala ladka, like the boy of 50 money. So I have been known for my life, Athanni. My name has been called Athanni. So after 10th, I was called Athanni. So that is the thing, those friends, I just tell you, don't be a part of crowd, do whatever you like, but think that there is a truth. By any means, you have to support it. If there is no truth, then that there is no future, no bright future, never be bright future. This is my experience. Just only I share it. I'm not a lecturer. I'm a listener. Thank you very much. The management today made me here, and I could see my elder sister. I'm so happy. I cannot express my. Thank you, Jai Hind. Thank you.
Thank you, Ramesh Agarwalji, for your very sweet reminiscence.